Hi beautiful crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video I'm going to show very amazing style crochet cup cover, cup coasters designs ideas. Hope so you like this video, hope so you like this all the beautiful ideas, all the beautiful designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Simple solid coaster, quick and easy to make, great for perfect surface. Colorful coasters, stripped coasters. Bring up your table with vibrant strips coasters. Flower coasters, delicate and charming, perfect for a touch of elegant. Geometric coasters, modern and trendy, great for adding a pop of color. Crochet mandala coaster, enhance the beauty and beautiful, perfect for bohem decor. Shell coaster, delicate and beachy, great for a coaster vibe. Leaf coaster, nature inspiration and amazing, perfect for autumn decor. Hope so you like this all the beautiful patterns and different tips and different types of coasters ideas. If you want more information about this all the collection, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Experiment with the different yarn, color, stitches or embellishment to create unique personalized coasters ideas. And that's it. Your set of cup coaster is complete and ready to use. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials and more different ideas to keep your home cozy and organized. Thanks for stitching along with me. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Share your finished coaster with us on social media account. Take care. Bye bye.